Welcome to Puzzle Divination. I'm Iris Knightstar. In today's reading, I will be pulling a familiar to help guide today's message, and then we'll look for a word in the grid, and I will demonstrate how to interpret the word with its literal meaning, its numerology meaning, and what the placement within the grid signifies. So, shall we see who's going to step forward and help us today? Okay, this is our bag of familiars. Okay, there we go. And this is what aspect of the familiar is going to be coming forwards today. So, okay, so we have the fox stepping forwards in today's message in, oops, okay. Ah, lovely, it's cosmic aspect. I'll pop it under there just to keep them all nice and safe. Okay, so the cosmic fox brings intuition, synchronicity and subtle guidance. The kind of clever insight that arrives through signs, nudges and perfect timing. Okay, let's move the book slightly out of the way. Okay, this is the grid that we're working with this week. Yesterday we found luminary. Oops. And today, the word that's jumping out to me is just above luminary. Oh, there's the word list I forgot to show you. There we go. There's the words. And the word that's jumping out there for me is confident. Okay, there we have confident. Second word I found. Ooh, first word I found. Just note it on there so that I remember the correct order that I found everything in. Okay, so confidence speaks to self-trust, inner stability and acting without hesitation. It's knowing that you're prepared and stepping forward. So, okay, with numerology, every letter corresponds to a number. So here we go. If you have a look on this chart, you can see that C corresponds with 3, O corresponds with 6, N with 5. And so if we do that with all the letters, add them all together, and that comes to 45. And so we reduce that down again so that it's a single digit. And so 4 and 5 is a 9. So, okay. So confident reduces to the number 9, and 9 is bringing us completion, wisdom, maturity, and the deeper knowing that comes from experience. It says you're ready because you've grown. Okay, so where does it appear in the grid? Because as we know, that affects the tone of the reading as well. And you can see confident moves across the 3 boxes at the top of the page. If you remember this high-tech graphic that I made, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we divide all the grids in this way. So confident is mostly in box 2, but of course it is overlapping the other ones. So box 2, of course, is the box of intuition, receptivity, emotional awareness and cooperation. So this isn't loud, assertive confidence. It's a soft, intuitive confidence. The kind where you trust what you feel and you don't second guess it. And now, oh, I forgot to call up the cosmic fox. Look at me, what an idiot. There he is. Sorry about that, folks. This is the guy who's been sitting with us, kind of, since I didn't call him up properly. Rubbish girl. Okay, so yes, the cosmic fox is adding subtlety, timing and clever insight. He or she encourages you to watch for signs, patterns, coincidences, because the universe is pulling something together behind the scenes. It's confidence, but not from ego, but from alignment. So if we take everything into consideration, the literal meaning, the tone from the cosmic fox and everything, then we can weave it all together to our final reading for today, which is with the cosmic fox guiding today's energy, Confident becomes a reminder that your intuition is reliable and already pointing you in the right direction. The numerology of 9 adds maturity and completion. You're not starting from scratch. You're acting because from everything you've already learned. And because the word sits in box 2, this is the kind of confidence that grows quietly from within. Trust the subtle signs, trust the timing, trust the quiet certainty that's forming. You are more prepared than you think. Let me know in the comments what words you saw. Did you see something different to me? What does confident mean to you? Don't forget to subscribe for tomorrow's reading. And remember, decode, discover, divine.